Okay, so looking at the butterfly house. The butterfly house is a rectangular prism, 10 by 12 by 3, and it holds 1,400 butterflies. Prove that there must be a group of at least 4 butterflies where the furthest apart anyone can be is √3 meters. So the actual number of cubic meters in this house, if you multiply all those numbers, is 360 cubic meters. So if we have this many butterflies and we divide them by 360 cubic meters, that's 1400 divided by 360. 1400 divided by 360, we get 3.88. So if you round that up, that would be 4 butterflies. You could be guaranteed that there's going to be 3 in each cubic meter. See, that's 3 times 360. And then if you add 1 more, then you can be guaranteed, see, 3 times 360 plus 1, that will give you the 14. So 3 times every cubic meter, you're going to have 4 butterflies, because in each, you got 360 cubic meters. So in each cubic meter, you're going to have 3. And then there's going to be 1 more, which will give you your guarantee that you would have 4 butterflies. Now, if you did have 4 butterflies in 1 cubic meter, because it's 3 rounded up to 4, if you could guarantee that in one of the cubic meters there was 4 butterflies, then the biggest distance that it'd actually be apart would be from this diagonal all the way down to this diagonal. So if you went like this and you draw your right angled, then this was 10, 12 and 3. So if you use Pythagoras on there, and then this is the furthest distance here. So x squared equals 10 squared plus 12 squared. So if we go 10 squared plus 12 squared, we get 244, and then you square root it, which gives you 15.6. Okay, so that's √249. And then to get y squared is 3 squared plus √249 squared. So y squared equals 9 plus 249, √249 squared, which is 258. And then if you look at that, sorry, just made a mistake on that. It's a cubic meter, so I'm being a bit of a twit. So you've got 4. You've got, that's 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So there's 1 butterfly up there and there's 1 butterfly down there. So you're still basing this on the diagonal. So if you're basing this on the diagonal, this would be your right angle here. So that's 1x, and that's y, and that's 1. So x squared is 1 squared plus 1 squared. So x squared equals 2. So x is √2. So that's √2. So now to get y, because that diagonal there would be the furthest it would be apart, it'll be 1 squared, that 1 squared, plus √2 squared, which will equal, y squared will equal 1 plus 2, so y squared will equal 3. So √3 meters apart in any 1 square meter. And we can be guaranteed that there are 4 butterflies in at least one of the square meters. So in at least one of these meter cubes, there'd be 4 butterflies, and the furthest distance they'd be apart would be √3.